Hey y'all, Rachel here with Rachel's Unique Crafts, and I had ordered a bird bath and a water fountain from Amazon. This water fountain, you don't have to plug it in, nothing. I'm really impressed with it, so let me turn y'all around and show y'all. I just ordered it and I thought it was something neat. I thought it was, it's so easy. I ordered the water fountain, the bird bath, and it's a goldish color, bronze. And, you just screw the parts in together. It's plastic, so it's real light. It's got some little things you anchor it to the ground. But this little water fountain, it's got different attachments that does different ways to spew up the water. It's really neat. No plug-in or anything. You just drop it in there and it floats. Awesome. And when the sun goes down, so you can put your hand over it and put a shadow over it and it goes off by itself. It comes back on with the sun. It's been running for 4 days. I haven't had to add water in here. Now, some of the other attachments made the water spew up too high and it, kind of emptied out a little bit. So I just left it without any attachments on it and it's been working awesome. So I was very impressed with that. I bought the bird bath and the little fountain from Amazon. The fountain was, I don't remember, I think it's $13, $15. But, you don't have to plug it in. There's no plumbing. There's nothing. You just let it float in there. And you have like a little, nice little waterfall. I think it's pretty. I think it's neat. So, yeah. I'm loving it. So, I just wanted to share that with y'all. And I'll drop the link for the bird bath and the water fountain. Little waterfall. In the description if y'all want to get you one. They're so fun and I just love them. Thank y'all and I will see y'all next time. I love you all and y'all get to crafting and do something pretty and neat, and until next time, I'll see y'all then. Okay, bye bye.